Dan Moskal here, and we are in step 3 of creating your audiobook. And in this one, we're going to go ahead and add cover art. You can look at the requirements if you click this blue button directly underneath it. You can also use the default one, but what we did is just use within pages, and this is going to be our title, and then we saved it as an image. And you have to size it, so just as an FYI, here's the default ones you can use, but we're going to go ahead and grab ours. And might take a few minutes. There we go. You can replace it, of course, but once you choose something, I believe it stays there. I don't think you can change it, at least as of today, your cover, once you choose one. So that's it. It has to be 24 by 2400, and as you can see, we've uploaded all of our audio book here, the full 21 chapters for affiliate marketing. We're in this next step 4, we're going to go over the opening credits real quick and the closing credits, what you need to put in there. And then we're also going to talk about the retail audio sample, which is pretty important and something that you can go ahead and use that you've already done. Like we'll tell you more in step 4 here. But anyways, this is Dan Moskal. Please visit danmoskaluniversity.com, sign up for our free newsletter and get some more inside info. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, please, and you can find our books over at Amazon here. We're also at the audible.com, and there's the sample right there you can see, but we're also at Barnes & Noble and iTunes. But anyways, check out step 4, and looking forward to talking to you soon.